Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to start dropshipping on Temu. So there are a couple of ways that you can do so. First of all, Temu is a great supplier for lots of products here. You have a great variety of products in any categories, and they also offer competitive pricing. Now to start dropshipping on Temu, you need to have, of course, an online store such as Shopify. And you have a couple of ways. First of all, the manual way, the purely manual way, is you can go to the product that you want to dropship and add the product details manually. So going through the process of creating a new product, copying the product title, the photos, description, and everything from the Temu website. And once you get an order on your Shopify store, go ahead to Temu and manually fulfill the order and send it to the customer. Now, the second option is to use an app. Now, if you go to the app here, in the search here for the apps and type in Temu on Shopify store. Okay, sorry, let's continue, Temu. And here you should find the official Temu app that connects your Temu account to your Shopify account to be able to dropship. However, if you don't find it, like I don't here, you can go ahead and use third-party apps here that allow you to import products from Temu to your Shopify store, such as this, the Carti Find. And also, AutoDS can integrate with lots of suppliers as well. You can use it and import products from Temu. However, I do recommend using an app such as Find here and connect your Temu account to your Shopify account to start dropshipping.